release the brake release. Here we'll take a U-turn and we'll go to Bangalore also.
Sure.
Okay. So you are driving in a city mode now.
Okay.
So, Mithun explain anything he
He
explain?
just showed me all the controls. Yeah.
Okay. So now currently you are seeing it as energy analytics in the instrumental cluster. So where the power it is passing, so you can able to see here.
Okay. So only the rear wheels.
Yes.
Okay.
So one thing about the Harrier.EV, it is a pure EV car, so built on an Acti.EV plus platform. So this is a flat bottom steering with a 4-spoke steering. Here you have here it is there.
Yeah.
And so the left part of the steering, it is for the mounted controls like call reset option, disconnect options, and a Bluetooth connectivity. Where in the right side you will be having a instrumental cluster operator symbol, and also with a adaptive cruise control option. And you will be having a ADAS feature control also here. And on this area side. So in this you will be having a 10 inches of instrumental cluster. So where you can see the navigation, the same navigation you are seeing in the instrumental cluster, in the infotainment system. And this is a 15 inches of music system by Samsung QWD.
Okay.
It's a Harman powered by Samsung QWD display, and is supposed with a wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, AM and FM, and also comes with a Dolby.
Okay. Dolby Atmos.
Dolby Atmos. And so in this we'll be having a dual zone AC, and auto foldable VM, powered IR VM, and inbuilt DVR you can able to see in the front profile. So in the dashboard, and in the dashboard you will be having a touch panel controls like the 360-degree camera. So then central locking, boot opener, like fog lamps. So charging and ejector, so hazard, AC adjustment. So like it is already recorded, so you'll be posting the same thing, or like you'll be doing a voiceover?
No. Usually it will be it's an ASMR video usually, but for some videos there will be
voiceover.
yeah.
Okay.
But
so
anyway, for this
whenever you do the video like this, you'll be posting like this only?
Yeah, like this only I'll post. Yeah.
Okay.
Straight will go.
Yeah. Take this size. You want to turn on the AC?
Yeah, I mean only the fan speed can you reduce?
Okay.
It's fine. Yeah.
It's fine. Okay. You're getting AC.
Yeah. So this is the top end.
This is the top end. So empowered QA quad filters.
Okay, so what is the on-road price for this?
So 35.5. So now you are driving in a city mode. You can switch it to sport. I will switch it to sport mode after crossing this speed breaker.
Yeah, okay.
You can drive it in a sport mode. And one thing you have to experience in this car, this boost mode. So I think you have seen in the ad, means like 0 to 100, it is going in 6.3 seconds.
Yeah.
So this is the mode.
Boost mode activated.
Oh my god.
Sport drive mode.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't say.
City drive mode activated.
Yeah, and you drive it in sport mode also.
Sport
This
drive
is sport mode.
This
Yeah.
is sport.
activated.
Oh my god, this is so fast. Yeah.
This is city and this is eco. You can feel
Economy
the pickup
drive
difference.
mode
Yeah.
activated.
Yeah, I can definitely feel that. Yeah. So in sport, then the
Sport
range will get
drive
reduced,
mode.
right?
Yeah, range will get
Activated.
reduced because the maximum power will get consumed.
Yeah, yeah. And what is the claimed range for this?
The claim range when it is as per the company feedback, it is like somewhere around 622. But the real world range will be getting around 490 to 510, sir,
Okay.
based on the acceleration and braking.
Okay.
City drive mode activated.
Even in city mode, the acceleration is very good.
Yes, sir.
Boost mode activated.
Should get an open space,
Yeah, yes.
open road.
City drive mode activated.
So basically it comes with 10 speakers, like 4 speakers, 4 tweeters plus 1 subwoofer,
Okay.
and 1 with a central speaker.
Okay. We'll take you to.
Yeah, we'll take you to.
Can you play one?
Sure. One moment.
Oh, I think here it's a problem.
Hello. Siri. Bro. Mysore in 20 minutes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 20 minutes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ ಸರಿ
That instantaneous torque you can
Yes,
feel.
I'll play the this Dolby sound effects at the
Yeah,
default because
sure.
my phone is unable to connect my phone here. So let's-
Okay, I think you have to stop it then, right? Maybe I'll stop it here, then we can see the Dolby demo.
Sure, sir, sure.